Now, this illustration deals with a second service in addition to the normal service under special occupancies in accordance with the requirements of 230.2, B as in boy, 1. Now, notice the NEC loop again. We, as the writers and authors of this chapter, notice we recommend 230.40, exception 1, to be reviewed. 230.24b to be reviewed, as well as 230.72c exception to be reviewed before you would maybe attempt to want to provide a second service in addition to the normal service for special occupancies in accordance with 230.2, B as in boy, 1. Now, notice in 230.40, exception 1, that would deal with the normal service, and then we would go over and check out 230.2b1 for the second service, and then again, they must be bonded together to create a grounding electrode system, so lightning strikes, surges, and everything, the equipment would rise at the same potential within that building. But once again, can I have two overheads? Now, that would be up to the authority having jurisdiction, again, based upon the location of this facility and what would be storm damage that could occur, hurricanes, tornadoes, wind. We would want to make sure that we wouldn't take out both services in some cases. So it's very wise to, well, you have to talk to the authority having jurisdiction and the utility to determine where each service is located, the plaques that are put on them, and that kind of thing to identify their locations. And then notice meter bases should be permitted to be grouped in one location if necessary. So the rules are set up, but notice there may be at this facility, in this shell of a building, maybe 10 occupancies. And notice that they each would be allowed a normal service by the code, NEC. And then notice they may even have an emergency for 2 or 3 of them, or maybe they would have additional service for all 10 tenants. It depends on what is needed based upon the type of occupancy. So this figure 6-3 just basically addresses additional service that is permitted in addition to the normal service under special occupancy requirements in accordance with NEC 230.2, B as in boy, 1.